What's going on, guys? I hope you're having a good day. I'm right here at Renee's Tire Service in La Puente. I came in to get some service done, get my tires flipped, get new valves, get some hats for when I take my helmet off at the track, come talk about some future plans I have working with this company. And I just wanted to give a shout out to my sponsor, Renee's Tires, before we get this video going. Thanks for the service, Ruben. I'll be seeing you again soon.
All right, brother, got you.
Anyway, we're out here in my street-driven drift car today, and we're gonna do a no-lift shift pull, just to show you guys what type of capabilities this car has. It has 0 power mods at the moment, and it has nothing special. I have these wet sport wheels, Federal 595 SS tires that are pretty dry rotted in the back. I got some Kenda semi-slicks in the front. The wheels are 18 by 10. And I have electronic deletes, which is probably the biggest thing that you guys will notice, which consists of a yaw sensor switch, and that's pretty much it at the moment. Real quick, I have to make this disclaimer. I would never do this on American roads, so I'll be heading south of the border to Mexico. And I suggest that if you guys ever want to do something like this, you do the same. Make sure you follow the laws. I'm not responsible for anything you guys do on your own time. Anyway, let's switch to the helmet cam and get right into this video. All right, no lift shift. Let's get one more of these in real quick. We're gonna do first through 4th gear. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. Thanks for watching. I decided to release this video because my most watched video on this channel was the stock 370Z 0 to 60. So I figured you guys were interested in seeing what this could do with its current power plant. Stay tuned so you can see what's going on this year. I have big plans and I'm gonna make a lot of progression this year moving forward. So make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along with that. I'll see you all next time.